So the first thing that we're going to go over is how to export your high fidelity mockup to InDesign as a text document so that then you can begin to wrap some styling around or some tags around this and add styling. So the first thing you want to do is go to your resume and select all of the text that you're exporting. Once you have that, you will be able to enable the ability to export this as a .txt file, .text file. So you go to File, Export, and then you're going to do this text only option. What you probably want to do now is on your documents or wherever you're making your web type folder, you want to make a new folder. You could either make a copy of your business card if you want to bring over some of that styling, or you could go back to that boilerplate file and make a totally new blank file. But you want to have a new file, a new folder created called resume that you're storing all your resume documents. So I'm going to go into my resume folder that I've created and then into my assets, and I can call this Lara resume view dash. Okay, and I'm going to do format text only and save. I'm using a Macintosh, so I'm going to save it for a Macintosh. PC is the other option. So now I've saved my text document. Now when I come over to VS Code, I have to close out this old one, this business card. Let me get a new Finder window. I'm going to go to my documents, and there should be, oh, there's my resume. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop this onto VS Code to open up my new folder. And then I'm going to come over here, drop down my assets so I have all those there. And then I'm going to look at my index.html. Okay, so the next step would be to go into this lara-resume.txt, copy all of this text, bring it back to my index.html, and paste that in here. Oh, I got a extra, paste that all in here. And now that I have that, I can look at my high fidelity mockups that I made in InDesign and see what tags I want to start wrapping this in. So this, for example, becomes an H1. I can cut out that closing H1 and put it on this other side. These all become H4s, I believe. My work sample becomes an H2. So the next thing you're going to do is just kind of go down this document using your high fidelity mockup and begin to wrap your text document in HTML tags.